military assets have started to revolve around the lethal, unmanned machines. Just like aircraft carriers were invented in the 1900s, drone carriers are currently being invented, and they promise to make aircraft carriers look outdated. This is a direct threat to U.S. dominance, which revolves heavily around aircraft carriers. It's even more threatening to the U.S., considering that China, America's favorite headache, appears to be spearheading the quest for advanced drone carriers. About 3 months ago, China launched the world's first dedicated drone carrier. It's smaller and shorter than conventional aircraft carriers. But then again, drones are typically smaller and shorter than regular manned aircraft. It's a match made in heaven. The smaller size would make these carriers easier and cheaper to operate than conventional aircraft carriers. Does this mean conventional aircraft carriers are significantly more capable than the drone carrier? Not necessarily. Both sides have their strengths and weaknesses. In an October 2023 UK Defense Journal article, national security veteran Alexander Gates mentions that drone carriers offer the same power projection advantages as conventional aircraft carriers, allowing states to conduct unmanned aerial operations at greater distances outside their territory. This is true. Not only that, the drones they host themselves offer a safer and more cost-effective alternative to the manned aircraft on conventional carriers. Drones are perfect for the most dangerous of tasks, since there are no personnel lines to be lost.